Hello, Lade Deo. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this really easy vegetable stir fry. I'll be using ugu today for this recipe, and I serve this dish with rice, some plantains, and some village stew. I have a recipe video for the village stew, so if you haven't seen it, it should come up right now. Please go ahead and see the video for the village stew. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be making today. Let's get started. I'm going to run you through the ingredients. We'll need only 3 items, guys, apart from seasoning and oil. So this is ugu. I'm going to be using ugu today, and it's just pumpkin leaves. I'm also going to be using a medium-sized red onion, nicely sliced up like so, and some scotch bonnet, just however much heat you can take. So in a pan or a pot, add some oil, add the onions, and then add the scotch bonnet. We call them atarudo. I'm going to add that, and then I'll be adding only, no salt, or just only bouillon powder or bouillon cube. It doesn't matter what flavor it is. The one I used was chicken flavor, so that's the only thing I'll be adding to this. And then I'm just going to add the vegetables, and I'm going to stir and stir and stir until I'm satisfied. My husband likes this almost uncooked, but we have to cook it, so that's what we're doing. This is a really nice addition to add with any meal. Like, you can eat this thing with beans, you can eat this thing, you can put it, like, you can eat it as a side with breakfast. It's really nice and it's really healthy. Like, I'd rather eat this than have a smoothie made from ugu. I'd rather have this. So, and I think that you can also make this with different vegetables, just what you have, but I think ugu tastes best with it because it doesn't really need too much. You know, we just want it to still taste okay but not bland. You know what I mean? So we're going to stir fry, and I think I cooked it for a total of, since when I put the oil and then added the onions and everything, maybe 5 minutes max. So you want to just keep doing this on medium to high heat, and yeah, that's it though, we're done. We are done. And this is just a great side. I find that in Nigeria we don't really have sides for our food, so I've created this as a staple side in my household, and for any meal we can have this as a side. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. That's the end, guys. It's that easy. The video for the stew is separate, so be sure to see that and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, be the best version of you. Bye.